Let me show you easily the best wireless power bank that I have ever used, and this is what the box of it looks like. And if you want to pause the video, you can also see the specs of it. So this 10,000 mAh, and also they come with 5,000 mAh as well, so a bit slimmer versions. So inside the box we get actually really nice packaging, your charger cable, the power bank itself, and also a bunch of manuals over here. And we have the power bank in this protector sleeve, and let's pull it out. And it's actually full carbon fiber, and it's actually super lightweight, and also the size for 10,000 mAh is actually insane, just how small it is. And also on the power bank we actually have the newest QI2 charging support. So on this side we have the on-off button, but again you do not even need to use this. So once you actually connect some device or pop it on, it will automatically start to charge it as well. On the bottom we have like the input and output, so type C. And what's actually great about this power bank is we can actually charge two devices at the same time with it at full speed. So let me demonstrate basically. So I can essentially connect one device using a wire. As you see, it started to charge basically, and for example I can pop on another device on it, and you see basically both devices are actually charging at the same time. And we actually do not have like any limitations on speed. So basically for the wireless charging we can charge at 15 watts plus this wired charging extra 20 watts, so up to like 35 watts in total output. I think from this power bank for such a tiny size is absolutely insane. Also we can easily see the battery level on the power bank itself, and when it comes to the capacity, basically how many times it can charge up a phone. So maybe if you have one of the older iPhones, maybe like iPhone 13 or 14 like this, you can expect to get pretty much like 2 full charge on iPhones. If you maybe have one of the like newest, maybe like iPhone 16, then you can get almost 2 full charges from this guy. When it comes to the size for the 10,000 mAh, I think it's absolutely amazing. And this is what it looks like on iPhone without the case. By the way, also they have like thinner versions with 5,000 mAh, but again for the 10,000 I do not see any problems with the size. So it's really one of the smallest and slimmest power banks, 10K power banks that I have ever seen. Also the internal magnet on this power bank also is actually really decent and easily the best I have seen on any power bank. So it's so strong that you really have to like put on quite a lot of effort to even get rid of it basically from your phone. And maybe if you use your phone with a case like this which has extra ring, then basically it's so strong that it's pretty much like impossible to remove it even. Also let's quickly check the weight of it. 179 grams. And weight of an iPhone is pretty much the same. When it comes to all 10K power banks, I guess this really has to be the slimmest and also basically the most lightweight due to this carbon fiber composition. Absolutely awesome. Also, what's really great about this power bank is we can actually charge any phone that has wireless charging, not only iPhones with MagSafe. So if you're wondering about that, this can charge any phone. And also you do not even need this QI2 support on your phone to charge. So again, this charges any like phones that have wireless charging. So as you see, I can easily attach it to my Samsung S25 and it will still charge it. So maybe it's not the best fit for this because you have the camera in the way, but still it can be used. And again, so you can use it with pretty much any like phone. Also, if you get one of these cases for your phone which has this MagSafe attachment, essentially you can transform your phone essentially into a MagSafe phone, and then again your hold will be like super strong, as you can see. And also this works good with Pixel 9 and also Pixel 8 that I'm currently filming this video on. And also maybe again if you have like older iPhones that still has wireless charging but doesn't have MagSafe. Also for example the new iPhone 16e that also doesn't have MagSafe, but you can still actually charge those phones with these. So again, either you like can simply put it on, and again as you see basically maybe you do not have the best hold but still it will still charge, or again you can simply get one of these cases, put the phone inside if it doesn't have the MagSafe, and then it's super good. So as you see it holds perfectly well. So I think you really should definitely invest in one of these cases if you maybe do not have a phone with MagSafe. So it can be used with any phone whatsoever. And when it comes to the recharge speeds, I'm getting roughly 19 watts on this power bank essentially. And if you compare to other power banks, then really this is probably the best recharge speed I have ever seen. On other power banks, especially cheap ones, usually it's maybe like under 10 watts. So usually they take absolute ages to recharge, but this one is super quick to actually recharge. By the way, full disclaimer, I actually asked Sharge to send me over this power bank to check it out, as I have been using their other products pretty much daily now, and actually I find all of them to be extremely good quality. For example, also if you need a power bank that you can also use to recharge your laptop or again multiple devices at extremely high speeds, this also is actually a really decent product, and this has got 24 like 1000 milliamp hours. So definitely the size on this one is obviously much bulkier, but again this can like output up to 170 watts of total output. So again, the most advanced high-end like power bank of this type. And after using other Sharge products, I really have found all of them to be the most premium quality you can get on the market. The build quality is superb. Also, when it comes to the inside technology in all of them, again, it's the top you can get. So again, really, you can't really find better stuff when it comes to tech. And again, all in extremely premium build quality. Of course, they maybe are slightly more expensive than others, but you really get what you pay. So if you need the best technology in the most premium build quality, this brand really, makes some really good products. Also, even their charging cables also are super solid as well. And also when it comes to overheating, I also find this power bank to be actually really decent. So maybe if you have used other power banks such as these, then you probably already know that they heat up like crazy. And for example, what I usually use these power banks is to simply extend my runtime for video recording. So I simply like put it on stand with a power bank attached basically on my phone and record videos. So, and when you record videos, your phone itself like overheats a bit, but again, on some of these power banks, basically your phone overheats so crazy due to this power bank on the back that your video recording essentially stops. But with this one, you actually do not have such problem. And I have been charging this phone for around 20 minutes now with this power bank, and let's check the temperatures. So on the back, so maximum 27, I guess. Okay, and let's quickly remove it and check the back of it. So like 28. So maximum 28 degrees Celsius. And overall, I find the thermal efficiency on this power bank absolutely great. By the way, also Sharge has another different power bank, basically a wireless power bank like this, which even has active cooling. But in my experience, really, I pretty much see like zero need for this active cooling. Maybe again, if you need the coolest phone, you can also get that. But I think this one is plenty. And again, it doesn't have fun unlike that power bank. So for 99% of usage, I think you will never like experience any thermal problems with power bank. And overall, if you're looking for the best wireless power bank with the best speeds and also best technology inside and inside the most premium body, this really is it. Good luck.